Boho, my absolute and personal favorite. Again, the boho house theme and nature go hand in hand like peas in a pod. One of the key elements of boho decor is the use of natural materials. You've got rattan, bamboo, jute, and reclaimed wood, all adding a touch of earthy elegance to the space. These materials not only bring a sense of warmth and authenticity, but they also connect us to the natural world in a tangible way. Then there's the abundance of greenery. Boho homes are often filled with plants of all shapes and sizes, from towering fiddle leaf figs to cascading ivy vines. And not only do these plants add a pop of color and texture to the space, but they also purify the air and create a sense of serenity and tranquility. However, I know these are not everyone's groove, so here's something a little bit dialed down if you're into less. Thank you for being here today. Take care and be well.